Hey everyone, welcome to Dano Does Things. This week I'm going to teach you how to make a super easy heart garland, perfect for Valentine's Day or, if you're me, everyday home decor. You're going to need a variety of colors of wool roving, a needle felting mat, a heart-shaped cookie cutter, a needle felting needle, some scissors, a sewing needle, and some embroidery thread. And not necessary for everyone, but necessary for me, a thimble to protect your fingers. First, take your cookie cutter and place it sharp side down on your needle felting mat. You're going to be using it as a template to shape your wool. Take your first color of wool roving. As you felt it, the wool roving will get squished together and compacted, so you want to grab as much as you can shove into your cookie cutter template. Then start felting by poking the wool repeatedly with your felting needle. As you can see, I'm using my thimbled finger to keep the wool in place so that I don't poke myself while working in such a small area, and turning the mat itself so I can get into all the nooks and crevices. Once the felting starts coming together and forming a cohesive piece, gently remove it from the mat and flip it. Continue felting along the other side, making sure you felt along the edges, but taking care not to bash your needle against the cookie cutter so that you don't damage either of them. Try to hit all the areas of the heart so it's evenly felted. Once that side comes together, flip again and lightly felt in any stray pieces of wool roving. Remove from the template. To give your heart some definition, use your needle to really tighten up the divot on the top of the heart. Point your needle slightly downwards to avoid poking yourself. Felt carefully around the edges to tuck in any stray fibers that may have gotten missed while you were felting in the template. Flip and repeat. Now repeat this heart-making process with as many colors as you would like. I did 7 hearts in 4 colors to make a mini garland, but you can make as many as you'd like to get a longer one. Cut some embroidery thread to length. In my case, I cut it to be as long as my arm span. Grab a needle and then spend like a really long time trying to thread it. When you finally thread it, sew horizontally through each heart, lining your needle up just underneath where the top divot of the heart is. Repeat with all hearts. Adjust the spacing of the hearts and you're done! A cute needle felted heart garland to add whimsy to any space.